Welcome back to the workshop. Your good friend Walter here. So glad you could be with me today. So I just put a fresh edge on this jack plane blade. I got to thinking, I wonder if there's a way to calculate how often we need to sharpen. So I did the math. What it basically comes down to is, this is 3-foot long hard rock maple, and the average plane blade needs to be honed to a new edge every 80 to 120 square feet of planing. And that's really doesn't matter whether you're doing 1/8 of an inch thick shaving or 1/1000th of an inch thick shaving, you're cutting. So, what that translates out to is roughly, on this board, 200 to 300 passes. You can do the math. If it's at 1/1000th of an inch, you can figure out how deep I'd go. I'd go to about, I could take off almost 7/16 of material. If I could go 300 swipes, which would be the 120 square feet, I'd take off a bunch more. And then also the thickness varies. But bottom line is, it's about 1/8 of a mile of shavings. And if you've got a cambered blade, you're going to wear the center out before you do the edges, of course. Not doing too bad on that fresh edge. Pulling off about 1/1000th of an inch there. But that's about it. I thought we'd do a little fun fact there. About every 1/8 of a mile you need to refuel. So all you do is pop the hood and pull out the blade, give it a quick hone, put it back in, and away you go. So head out to your shop. See how many miles you can get to your plane blade. Go make some shavings. Walter out.